You sprayed a fantastic finish on your furniture, and then, 5 minutes later, it turned cloudy. What happened? You see blushing when moisture gets trapped under the lacquer finish. Spraying lacquer in humid or cold weather produces a cloudy finish. The room temperature is also a factor. The ideal temperature for refinishing furniture is 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 50% humidity. The can temperature should be between 65 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Blushing can be the bane of a furniture technician's workday. No worries, no blush retarder to the rescue. It's a product made by the Mohawk Refinishing Company. It removes the moisture almost like magic. Shake the can well and spray 12 to 14 inches from the surface to be coated. Repeat the spraying with another coat of no blush if necessary. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to hit the subscribe button below if you found value in this content.